In this video, I will show you how to cut a billet, which is slightly different than cutting sheet glass due to its thickness. We're still going to use our glass cutter, however. Now let's get started. To safely cut a billet, you'll need a pair of safety glasses, a work glove, a ball peen hammer with the pointed head, and a glass cutter. Because a billet is so thick, we cannot simply score it with a glass cutter and use running pliers. It simply will not work. Instead, I'll show you how to score it and then use a ball peen hammer to crack along the score line. Using this method makes cutting a billet easy. Billets, like glass, have a textured surface and a smoother surface. Scoring on the smooth surface will give you the best results when cutting. Use the same amount of pressure as you would to score a sheet of glass. Make sure to have even pressure along the entire score. Once I've scored my billet, I put on my work glove. I'm going to be holding the billet in my glove when I crack it along the score line. An optional step, since the score can be difficult to see, is to make marks where the score is with black Sharpie. Next, I flip my billet over. I'm going to crack along the score line underneath the score with the pointed portion of the ball peen hammer. First, however, I make sure I'm wearing my safety glasses. Breaking down billets into equal-sized portions will yield the best results. For this billet, first, I break it in half. Then, I can repeat the process until I have equal-sized chunks that I want to use. Now that you know the best way to cut them down, nothing can slow you down from using Wissmach billets in your studio. Happy kiln forming!